Welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you brand positioning. Literally, we are going to be doing this together, taking your brand from ground zero to positioning your brand in the best and possible way. I know brand managers are looking for these, marketing managers are looking for this, communication managers are looking for this, and even business owners. From those thousands of requests, I have decided to create the brand positioning workbook. Download it right now in the description below, or you can visit www.soundclass.com right now. So with that being said, let's jump right into the video. So brand positioning is how people see your brand, how they can perceive your brand when they are in need of a solution. There's what they call, in the customer journey, there's what they call problem recognition, there's search for information, then there's evaluation of alternative. During that phase of your evaluation of alternative, you want your brand to come up as the number one in the heart and the mind of your customers. And there are strategies, there are ways to do these things, and that is why this workbook is here. And for those just joining SoundClass Academy or just watching this video, you can help us and support us by subscribing to our channel and also clicking the notification and also turning on your notification button and leaving a comment what you think about the video at the end of this video. Also, you can share with a friend, and we would really appreciate that support. So with that being said, let's go to the next part of the workbook. Hold on, it's a workbook. We have to do this together. Go to the description right now and download a free copy, or visit www.soundclass.com to download your own copy completely free. Now, talking about brand positioning, it's important to answer these questions and more questions that will be seen in the workbook. And for those that feel this is going to be really complicated, this is really hard, you can book a free consultation call with my team, ready to serve you and also give you a solution to your problem. It is completely for free. And for those that I just want to hire an agency to solve all my problems, yes, we are the right agency for you. We have a completely done for you service where we take your brand audit, also do your brand positioning analysis, and set up your campaigns using the right message to reach your right target audience. We have done this for 5 good years, and yours won't be different. We have a track record of proving and amazing results, and yours won't be a different case. So go to the description right now and book a call with us right now. Yes, right now. So that being said, let's come back to the workbook. The first thing you want to do when you are thinking about brand positioning, you want to think about your target audience, because you don't want to create a message that won't align with your target audience. You don't want to start sending out emails, start promoting your business, and you are promoting it to everybody. You have to choose, you have to segment who is my ideal target audience, and that is why that part is there. In demography, psychography, you have to group them, behavioral and also situational. How do you want to group your target audience? Then the next thing you are looking at is, okay, these are my target audience, the people in Nigeria, the people in Africa, the people in the US, they are my target audience, but they have this problem. And that is the next thing you want to do. You want to write out the problems they have out, like clearly stating out the problem you want to solve right here. And that's why the workbook is here. Then the next part of the workbook, you see that you are supposed to tell us the solution to the problem. This workbook, take note that the workbook, you are not submitting it to us. It's just to help you align your brand to the optimum standard. It helps you rethink and reposition your business. So you are not submitting it to us. We don't need your documents. This is a free workbook to help you realign and also implement this solution in your business. And for those always thinking, I need to submit the workbook, no, there's no need for that. Then with that, you are supposed to set up a solution for them. The solution you are chosen, that we started with the target audience, then the problem they have, and now the solution you want to give to them. You want to sell a luxury product, you want to do this, you have to state the solution here. You can print this document out so you can write it out, or you can fill it online on your system. Then now you have a solution. people might have done this solution. I always hear businesses that people are doing what I'm doing. There is nobody that is not doing what you want to do. Literally, SpaceX have competitors. Tesla has competitors. There is no business currently that doesn't have a competitor. It's just something that differentiates one from another, and that is the USP, the unique selling proposition. So that's the next part. You have to define what is actually differentiating you from your customers. What is actually differentiating you from your competitors, right? Then you can say it's my value, the way I position myself, the branding. You have to differentiate yourself and clearly state out the things that are your unique selling proposition, that this is the one thing that I'm doing that they are not doing. Do you get that? You can easily go back and watch this video over and over again. Please kindly subscribe while you encourage us to create more of these videos. And then the next thing you want to do is to list out your competitors. List out the competitors and the way they are solving the problem. Are you getting me? We're trying to solve a brand positioning problem. You have to understand where you are in the positioning map and how you can beat people on that map and go to the top of the map. You have to understand where you are on the map and what they are doing to beat the people above you so you can be at the top of the map. And that's why this part is here. You have to understand your competitors and first know the problems they are solving and the way they solve the problems. Then you write that out. Now, the reason to believe in you. Why should your customer choose you over your competitors? Why should they pick you when they are evaluating? Okay, they've done the information search, they have done the evaluation, and now they're trying to get somebody to work with. Why should they choose you? Is your service better? Is it faster? Is it the brand value? Is it the architecture of the business? Why should they pick you? And that's very, very important. You state that out there. I believe this document will be super handy to a brand manager, to a marketing manager, to a communication specialist, to a growth specialist, to a business owner. So with that being said, kindly tag them in the comments or share this video with them as you are adding value to them. Then the next thing you want to do is to create a positioning statement. Now you have a business. For who you have to write the business and the target audience, who you're targeting. Have you followed? Have the problems? This following audience have the following problems? Then our following product describe the solution. Then that provides this solution to their problems. Unlike your competitors, now when you are done filling this, you have a full-blown statement. And this statement is what you use for your messaging, your converting, your marketing plan, and every other campaigns that you need. Because now you clearly know how to create a good message. You clearly know how you stand out from your competitors. You clearly know what makes you the better option for your customer. Does that make sense? I believe it does. We have said so much in this video, and guess what? That is not the end. We are still going to share more workbook, and the next one is social media marketing, and you don't want to miss it. So turn on the notification button right now. Yes, right now, so you don't miss any video. And see you in the next video where we'll be discussing about social media marketing, and we'll be showing you the framework we use inside the agency to create an amazing social media plan. With that being said, bye for now and see you in the next video.